Hi, Luke here, founder of MountMonitor, and today I'm going to introduce to you the MountMonitor QuickBooks Online integration. Let's get started. First, let's head over to our settings. In Settings, let's scroll down to Invoice and Accounting. Click Connect QuickBooks Online. Before we connect, we need to check these prerequisites. First, do we have a bank account? And second, are our sales tax set up? Once these are in place, we can go ahead and click Connect QuickBooks. We now need to accept the connection between our QuickBooks Online account and MountMonitor. Great, as easy as that. MountMonitor is now connected to QuickBooks. However, there's still a couple more things we need to get synced up. Let's go through the setup at a high-level overview. Start by clicking Continue. We create an income account for MountMonitor to track all MountMonitor jobs. We also create the items in the account. For mounts, they are a combination of specimen name and mount type. For service, they're the service name. Now we need to select our QuickBooks bank account. When you make a payment, whether that be deposit, partial payment, which we now support with this latest update, or paid in full, that payment is logged in QuickBooks. In the reverse, if your customer pays an invoice online, that will also be synced through QuickBooks into that account and synced to MountMonitor. Let's select our account and hit Next. Now we need to select our tax rate. We support multiple tax rates within a tax group, so all your taxes are accounted for when you use this integration. In order for invoicing to work, you need to make sure that discounts and deposits are enabled on your QuickBooks invoice. Don't worry, we've done this already for you. This explains how syncing works for clients. This is how it works for jobs. And this is how it works for invoices. There are a few things we don't sync. We understand that handling finances and taxes can be complex, and every business has unique requirements. We're open to discussing your unique QuickBooks needs, and while we can't build everything, our ears are open. Let's finish our setup. Nice, QuickBooks is now ready to use. Let's head over and create our first client and sync them. I'm just quickly going to enter some client details. Now, all we need to do to see that our client is synced to QuickBooks and create a customer in QuickBooks is to make sure this is selected. Let's head over and add our client. We can see the sync status. Let's head over to QuickBooks. Jack has successfully synced. Now, let's head back and create a job for him. Here, under price, we can now enter a discount and deposit. These will also be synced to the invoice in QuickBooks. Now we're done with this job. We just need to make sure the sync is enabled and click Add Job. Let's log this payment, the deposit. And let's head back over to QuickBooks. Let's head over to Sales. Let's head over to Invoices. Let's head over to Deposit. Let's head over to Sales. Let's head over to Invoices. Let's head over to Deposit. Let's head over to Sales. Let's head over to Invoices. Let's head over to Sales. Let's head over to Invoices. Let's head over to Sales. Let's head over to Invoices. Let's head over to Sales. Let's head over to Invoices. Let's head over to Sales. Let's head over to Invoices. Let's head over to Sales. Let's head over to Invoices. Let's head over to Sales. Let's head over to Invoices. Let's head over to Sales. Let's head over to Invoices. Let's head over to Sales. Let's head over to Invoices. Let's head over to Sales. Let's head over to Invoices. Let's head over to Sales. Let's head over to Invoices. Let's head over to Sales. Let's head over to Invoices. Let's head over to Sales. Let's head over to Invoices. go to invoices. You can see this invoice has been set. We can see the sales tax and the discount and the deposit payment. Let's go ahead and see where that deposit landed. We can now see this client and the job have been synced to QuickBooks.